sea. Come play with me. Find the mermaid colors in the deep blue sea. Can you find the pink mermaid? Where could she be? Look around under the sea. Yes, you found her, shining bright. Pink mermaid, glowing with delight. Can you find the blue mermaid? Swim and see. Look around under the sea. Great job, she's shining in the sea. Blue mermaid, smiling happily. Can you find the yellow mermaid, bright as the sun? Look around, this is fun. You found her, glowing bright. Yellow mermaid, full of light. Can you find the purple mermaid, deep and bright? Search around with all your might. Yes, you did it. Great job, you. Purple mermaid, waving to you. Under the sea, you played with me.